Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me at K Warner Studio. Today I have a really small haul from Scrapbook.com, but I wanted to show you a few things. Some good buys and some brand new paper, and something that will coordinate with the paper. In case you aren't aware, Scrapbook.com has these watercolor papers with the different designs on them that you can cut to make into cards if you like, or anything else that you would like to have. And it's called Art Play Paintables, and this is called Mermaid Tails. So there's a lot of different imagery here with mermaid. And this sheet was $2, so it's much cheaper than buying the individual images already on the watercolor paper. This has flowers and little critters on it. Each one has 12 individuals, and these are called joy flowers. So this is beautiful. These would make beautiful cards or little hangings for walls. Then this next one is called Animal Vibes. So you have here Somebody Loves You, and then we have Hugs and Wags, and then Cheese I Love You with a mouse, and then over here we have Ankthe. I don't know what it says, means thank you in Pig Latin. Never Forget You, an elephant. It's sending you bear hugs. And no drama for this llama. You're such a dear. So there's 12 images on this one. And then this one here is only 6 because it is much bigger, the imagery on here. And even have hello here and a brush lettering. And this is called Scatter Sunshine. So the brand name is Adorn It, but I'll put links below if they're still available. And this is watercolor paper. You have it more textured on one side, but they all have a texture on the paper. So that's one thing I wanted to show you. I'll also put a link to the coupons and deals on scrapbook.com just in case there's a code that you can get additional money off. Pardon the noise, but I can't help it, guys. So this is my new favorite Nouveau Gloss White. And then Echo Park Fashionista. This is a cute little pad. But Brutus Moreau has a stamp pad that's a stamp that says if the shoe fits, buy it in every color. And it has different shoes like stilettos and Mary Janes. And yeah, just the 3 little stamps. It's really economical, and it matches the paper because there's shoes and different accessories on the paper. So, separately, I bought the sheet of cardstock stickers, purses and stripes, borders. Real style is never right or wrong. It's a matter of being yourself on purpose. So these are the nice stickers. Great. This is Glamour, and then Shop Till You Drop. Anybody that knows me knows I love shoes. And then this next one just has water border, so you could cut any which way. Very pretty. And this is 12 by 12 Echo Park, and it all perfectly matches the paper. So I bought those 2 sheets. So let's get into this pad. Pardon the dog. Barks at everything. Well, not everything. Things that he doesn't like. Here we have some beautiful flowers. And it's like coral reds and pinky corals. Red, black and white stripes. Then we have this. This is nice. The black is like it's woven. Actually looks like material, although it doesn't feel like it. We've got this khaki color, and then the shoes, which this stamp is going to be great for. So these look like Christian Louboutins, and we've got some Manolo Blahniks, and these are just wonderful. So we have the platform heel, the kitten heels, the strappy, the stilettos, the Dorsey, all of the peep toes, all of the great shoe types. And we have black background, white dots, some cocktail dresses and little black dresses, different color bows, always with the same color tone of corals, coral pinkies, reds, greens, white, and black. And then we have the nice large dots, solid color green that's in the paper, matches this one nicely, as well as the shoes. These are like roses, script roses. And then we have some cosmetics, a compact, false, lashes, an eyelash curler, nail polish, lipstick, lips, mascara. We have this one here that has every color in it, including the khaki. This is like an art deco kind of stained glass. The pinky rosy red. Then we have the plaid with the rosy red stripe. You can see that well. Here you go. And then we have little flowers in all the colors, the mint, the green. Here we have the handbags, the glasses, the cat eye glasses, the perfume. Really pretty. These are O's or dots. I think that picks that up. Maybe if I adjust this light a little better. There we go. So inside the rosy pink is actually a dot. And here we have rows of stores. Best sale ever, gorgeous you, fabulous you. Let's see. And they have some other with smaller writings on them. So they're storefronts, so that would be a great addition. And then we have runway, classy, style, shine, dress, trend, shop. All these words going in different directions. And then we have the repeat of this paper, 12 by 12 sheet and the smaller size. Life is a party, dress like it. We have this green on a lighter green background, and then we're back to the flowers in various shades of coral and pinks at the start. So that's that paper pad. It's brand new from Echo Park. So the 12 by 12 pieces, the cardstock stickers, and then this is great fun for somebody that wants to practice the watercolor. So thank you so much for joining me today at K Warner Studio. I appreciate you taking the time out of your very busy day to spend it with me. I'll put a link below for this stuff, as well as I said, if there's any coupons, I'll put it right at the very beginning of the description in the Show More section below this video on YouTube. Bye bye.